What's up, everyone? Happy Monday. Oh, wait. You guys are probably going to see this on a Tuesday. Well, happy Tuesday, fam. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Sorry for the delayed upload this week. I had to work my military job this weekend, so I really didn't have time to get a video fully done for you guys. But nonetheless, today I have a really cool piece of keyboard tech for you guys sent over from the folks over at Banggood once again. So shout out to those guys for sending this over to me. So today we're going to unbox and take a look at the features of another GK61XS. Now, you might remember we've already had a look at one of these here on the channel, but this one is different. This one right here is the aluminum case model. Well, actually the one that I chose is actually the polycarbonate version. It's see-through, which means it's actually a bit more expensive, but trust me, it has the looks and the features to back it up. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so what we have here today is another GK61XS, and this is supposed to be the aluminum alloy version, but the version, as I said, that we have here today is actually the transparent version. So it's made of a more like polycarbonate material, but if you actually do end up getting the aluminum versions, it comes in two other versions. It comes in purple or like a slate black. So this kit basically has everything you need to get started, and it already comes with some pre-lubed stabilizers, but they do wiggle a little bit, as you guys can see, so we may just have to customize that a bit further. This board can also accommodate pretty much all plate mounted switches, and it has north facing LEDs, so finding some keycaps should be pretty easy. Speaking of switches, the switches we're going to use in today's build are going to be the glorious Pandas that we lubed on stream with the glorious G Lube. One thing you may want to watch out for is the plate on this particular board is a little bit finicky, so you really got to lift it up and keep it stable when you're putting the switches in. But anyway, let's get these switches in so we can start putting the keycaps on. The keycaps we're going to go ahead and put on this build are the Drop Skylight series keycaps, and these ones are just the white ones that are a double shot PBT material, and they are the shine through edition, so that LED should shine through just fine with these keycaps. And I went with an OEM look to just make this keyboard look pretty stock for this video. Now let's go ahead and take off our other GK61XS, plug our new one in, and start testing a few functions of this keyboard. Okay guys, so something that I found this time around with this GK61XS is there's actually software that you can download to fully customize your keys, your macros, and your RGB lighting of your keyboard. So you just got to go to this website that I have here. I'll link it in the description for you guys. And once it's downloaded, you guys can open up the software and you'll see that you have a ton of customization options, and they already have a bunch of preset color options for you to do different really awesome effects and different colorways for your keyboard to make it look very, very cool and stand out in your setup. The lighting customization options are pretty extensive, and it looks like you can actually do some kind of like per key lighting and customize different effects to it. So yeah, you just basically select them. You can preview it first, and then if you want to just go ahead and put it right on your board and keep it, you hit apply, and it is then put onto your keyboard. So it's a very cool little utility that I found to just extend the customization of your keyboard. Alright everyone, so that's really all there is to this GK61XS kit, so let me know your thoughts on it down below, and if you think I should do something different to it. I will be definitely making more modifications to this board very soon, but I just wanted to show you guys what it's like right out of the box right now in its stock config before I decide to do anything else to it. And speaking of modifications to this board, I also wanted to let you guys all know that I am now affiliated with Prevail Keyco, and they have given me a little discount to give out to all of you guys. So they have just about everything you need when it comes to building a custom keyboard, including their really amazing Lube station they got right here. I just got mine in the mail today and I'm super excited to try it out. I also got some Durox switch films and some Durox switches, but I mean, who's counting, right? Anyway, use the affiliate link in the description with the promo code RAV at checkout to save yourself a bit of money and get some really nice keyboard gear that's really hard to find anywhere else. So that's going to wrap this one up, fam. As always, if you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to drop the video a like to help out with that algorithm as always. And if you guys want to stay updated on all of my content, be sure you get subscribed with those bell notifications on so you'll never miss a post, a stream, or a new video when it comes out. Take care, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.